Okay, so you need propane torch, brass, drill, socket, bucket of water in it. Let me zoom in on this so you can get a decent look at what it's supposed to actually look like. Slowly spin it, and you want the tip of that flame, the brighter part in the middle, is the hottest, the very tip. You want that to get right on the shoulder, and that little nook, and it'll do it just perfect, down about 1/8 of an inch past the shoulder. So rotate it so it gets even, and dump it. You want it, that light blue color is what you want, right where it starts to darken. The point after that's red, and you don't want that. That can over annealing, and if you cause pressure spikes, oh shit. Sorry, I'm trying to concentrate here. What you don't want to do is this. Right there is way too long. See how the flame's going really low, and the case is shot. That's way too much all the way down, so the head's probably ruined. Fuck that case. Oh, that thing got hot. There. You want it to look just like what, fresh military brass looks like right after you pick it up off the range. It's darker on the edge. It's got that weird rainbow look to it. That was a good one. But it takes a little bit to get used to, but then once you do, it's easy as shit. I mean, you can even use your fingers, it doesn't get that hot. That's how I usually do it. Figured I'd try out that other Redder's idea though with the socket. Because this way you can tell how hot the case head is, in case, it takes a little while or whatever. You can tell how hot it gets. There's a good one. I actually prefer this way. It's easier for me to control. These sockets, man, is a good one. So, that's that.